Hi, good day ma'am and sir. I am Grace Carmo. I am from Apayao, Philippines. I am 44 years old and I was born on August 5, 1980. My highest educational attainment is college graduate as secondary education. I have living partner and we have 4 kids, ages 18, 16, 12, and 2. My hobbies and skills are cooking, swimming, hair cutting, playing volleyball, writing, and tutoring. My work experience are in Saudi Arabia, 3 years and 3 months. I serve 3 members of the family, ages 50, 55, and 14. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and tutoring. Also, I worked in Hong Kong 7 months. I served 4 members of the family, a couple and 2 kids, ages 38, 45, 2, and 4. My duties are cleaning, marketing, cooking, car washing, and sending the kids to the school, back and forth, and tutoring. Also, I work here in the Philippines 2 years and 5 months. I served 3 members of the family, ages 69, 75, and 12. My duties are cooking, cleaning, car washing, marketing, gardening, and also tutoring. I am willing also to taking care elderly person and a newborn baby. I am sharing that I want to work again in Hong Kong because in Hong Kong there is a high salary and there is no domestic violence. I want to earn more money because I want to help my family and to support my kids to their studies. So, to my future employer, please choose me as your house helper or a housemaid because I am trustworthy, hardworking, patient, and kind. I am promised to do various tasks or various household tasks efficiently and effectively. I am hoping to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.